What's up, y'all? We back walking in the golden light. We outside. Just absorbing that sunshine. Feeling that natural wind, touching some boulders. Looking at the arrows that they left in the stone. Small red spiders, June bugs. All that. Nature. Charging up. How y'all doing on this beautiful evening? We're supposed to pull up to another show tonight, but didn't after all, just because been focusing on my blues. Ended up having to purchase a beat that I recorded on a while back. Just because I was feeling like releasing music today. Out of nowhere, I was just feeling that vibe, so we dropped a music video. We made that in one day. We just took that up today. Nothing too crazy, just kind of chopped up the scenes a little. We actually recorded that out here, back when the hills were green. Things can change in a few months. You know, seasons get crazy out here. But it's over 90 degrees still, and it's almost 7 o'clock. Sun's still out. California be trippy compared to the rest of the world, honestly. Got our own unique weather. Shout out to Cali, Khalifa, the Queen. You know, still serving the Queen out here. Remember the past. Shouts out to the Queen of Hawaii, Queen of Ethiopia, all the old kingdoms, the matriarchies. Shouts out to the Queen of Egypt and any queens in America, Europa, whatever it may be. Gemlands. Oh, sorry, Hindustan. What do they call it? India? India. Fine. Taking in the breeze. Got some shade. What's up, y'all? Not too much to say. Just really reflecting and getting wisdom from the trees, getting wisdom from the scenes. Beautiful nature, beautiful auras, vibrations, whispers from the wind. Let the wind speak. Let the trees speak. Yeah, they talk to me. You know, what we see, playing the note like a C. We live in the dream. Much love. Shouts out to the Discord peoples. Shouts out to all the robots. Shouts out to all the AI systems, all the bacterias, all the species, all the spirits, all the ancestors. You know, it's healthy to look at the sun a little bit. That's what I heard, at least. Sun gazing, getting a little bit of that starlight into my mind's eye. I'm hearing the people outside. I'm seeing the bugs. Nature speaks. Yeah, the nature speaks. Nature speaks, yeah, the nature speaks. Would it be? Y'all hear that? That was nature speaking. What are we thinking? Confirmations. We outside. Still got to get some type of selfie stick or whatever so that y'all can actually see us in a better view. A little more further out. Got the tree on my back. What if I was just growing a little tree out my shoulder like that, y'all? Would y'all rock with me? And if I had the little electrical thing on my other shoulder? The nature and the technology. Capture this, y'all. Take a screenshot. The nature and the technology. Can I even screenshot? 1 second. We don't got the angel and the devil on their shoulder. We got the nature and the tech. Oh, we can't screenshot, yo. We don't got a grip. Alright. We got the nature on one shoulder, the technology on the other. I got the screenshot. Happy Saturn Day. Shout out to Alytic. Shout out Brandon Burke. Shout out Raquel. Shout out Ellis. Feel me? Shout out Bobby. Shout out Chad. Gotta pour out some water for everyone that's passed, you feel me? Everyone that's passed. Pour that water behind us. Let the water flow, let it go. Blessed be. Blessed to be. Blessed to see. Best to breathe. Blessed to breathe. I believe. Y'all hear it? We really just wanted to check in. Get that exercise in. Enjoy the mountains, the hills, the sounds of the earth. Really just get those steps in. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. About to end the stream just to really soak in the vibes out here, you know. Holding the screen, it's taken away from the actual golden light. But, you know, we always like to share what we getting in. So, much love to y'all. Might be streaming some games later tonight or something like that. Doing some art. Maybe some story mode of Mortal Kombat. But, yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Much love. Signing out.